parts of our system unit. And to start off, I am going to open the case of a system unit. So first of all, I'll unscrew the part that is tying it, then slide it open, and then so I will be disabling the power supply part of the system unit. And first of all, I will now unscrew the power supply unit. Place the screw safely. Just 4 screws tight. So that was not safe. There we go. So once we're done, we are going to now we are not unplugged. Since it's plugged, we are going to unplug the power. It's supposed to be connected to the compact disc. So we unplug that part. We unplug the part where it's taking power to the hard disk. Also unplug this bit where it's getting the power to the fan. And once it's all unplugged, we can now remove it by pressing this part down here and pulling it. Pull it like that, and we have successfully removed the power supply. Now to take it back to its usual place, we are going to slide it into its place safely. Push it back, then make sure you take the power cables back where they were, and this one is going to the this one is the one that belongs to the fans. We take it back, take the power back to the lamp, and we have done that successfully. And now take this one back to the disc. Then finally we return this one. There. Once we have successfully connected the power supplies, we can now screw it back to make sure it's safely. Gathered all the 4 screws and now tightening them. Once done, you need to return the case. How do you return it? You just slightly place it back and slide it back. And then screw it back. That's it. Thank you for watching.